हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है आयरलैंड जनरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट परमिट। तो आइए देखते हैं ये किस तरीके का वीज़ा है, कौन इसको अप्लाई कर सकता है, क्या एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस है और क्या इसकी फ़ीस है। आयरलैंड जनरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट परमिट वर्क वीज़ा 2024। लेट्स सी द एलिजिबिलिटी एंड एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस। The General Employment Permit and Critical Skills Employment Permit provide clear pathways for non-EU nationals to work in Ireland with straightforward application procedures and supportive policies. These permits not only simplify the relocation process but also allow for family reunification and job mobility. Coupled with Ireland's rich cultural heritage, excellent education system, and welcoming community, it stands out as a prime location for international talent aiming to thrive in the dynamic and rewarding environment. Let's see the eligibility criteria for this visa. To qualify for General Employment Permit, several key conditions must be met. Let's see the eligible jobs. The job must not be on the ineligible list of occupations for employment permits. Labor market needs test. The employer must have conducted a labor market need test to show that they could not fill the position with an EEA citizen. Minimum salary. The job must offer a minimum annual salary of £30,000 with some exceptions to specific occupation and recent graduates. Qualifications. The applicant must have necessary qualifications, skills and experience for the job. Employer. The employer must be trading in Ireland, registered with revenue and with the company's registration office. 50-50 rule. More than 50% of the existing workers in the company must be from the EEA. EEA stands for European Economic Area. Now let's see the application process. The application process for General Employment Permit is streamlined but requires careful attention to detail. First, you have to prepare documentation, submit application, submit online via the Employment Permit Online System, which is also known as EPOS. Processing time. Processing time may vary between few weeks to few months. Approval and registration. Upon approval, you must register with the Irish Naturalization and Immigration Service within 30 days to receive your Irish residence permit. Now let's see the fees. Ireland General Employment Permit fees. Up to duration 6 months, the fees is £500. Duration up to 24 months, the fees is £1,000. Renewal fees are higher with cost of £750 for up to 6 months and £1,500 for up to 36 months. If an applicant is unsuccessful, 90% of the fees is refunded. After holding the General Employment Permit for 12 months, you can apply to bring your family to Ireland. Initially, General Employment Permit holders must stay with their first employer for the 12 months. After this period, they can switch employers by applying for a new General Employment Permit, ensuring all criteria are met. तो ये वीज़ा है जनरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट परमिट जिसके बारे में मैंने आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है। ये एक वर्क वीज़ा है और पूरा एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस मैंने आपको इन्फॉर्म करा है इस वीडियो में। अगर आपको कुछ और इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, यू कैन कमेंट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।